This blog explains how manufacturers can dramatically reduce invoice exceptions by using AI-powered automation tailored to the complex demands of the industry. Invoice exceptions occur when an invoice doesn't match expected data. A price variance, missing purchase order, incorrect tax calculation, or misaligned quantity. In manufacturing, with its high invoice volumes, varied supplier formats, and contract complexities, exceptions are especially common. Manual processes struggle here, trapping AP teams in repetitive work, slowing approvals, and delaying payments. Intelligent automation moves beyond basic digitization. AI systems understand context. They extract fields from invoices and automatically validate them against purchase orders, contracts, and ERP records. One of the biggest gains comes from AI models learning from historical data, which mismatches were cleared automatically, which required review, and how similar issues were resolved. Over time, the system predicts the correct outcome and applies it automatically. This is especially valuable in manufacturing, where supplier bills can vary widely and evolve with product changes or negotiated terms. Another key advantage is automated exception handling workflows. Instead of exceptions accumulating in email queues, the system routes them to the right approver with all relevant context, past history, contract details, and suggested resolutions. And with real-time visibility and reporting, dashboards show where exceptions are clustering by supplier, plan, or cost category, enabling finance leaders to address root causes, update rules, or negotiate with suppliers. By integrating intelligent automation with existing ERP systems, manufacturers benefit from clean, validated data flowing directly into financial records without duplicate entry. This reduces reconciliation work, improves audit readiness, and accelerates month-end close cycles.